Okay, my people, when I laugh attack house today, and a man on the street be this. You know, say get people who no suppose forget for this country at all. In fact, they suppose do one special day. The way we get Bob Marley Day, the way we get, Fela Day. Maybe just get one day for Abacha. You know, say that man Abacha more investigating there too. That man, you know, sure say the money rich what they take on. Because the way the man take they help Nigeria when we get problem, the way they take they send money from great beyond, it they shock me. We go just hear say Nigeria broke, the next they don't go meet Abacha, they don't collect money for hands. Small they don't go Abacha. You know, they use our English they speak and say we'll get some money from Abacha's loot. Sorry, whether not thief have been a loot. But we don't know say the money na see Abacha hand they collect them. My people, when I know say for 1998 down to 2020, they don't collect money for Abacha hand tire. For 1998, they collect $750 million when Nigeria broke that time. For 2000, they collect $64 million. For 2002, they collect $1.2 billion. Hey, bros, you try. In fact, what shocked me, for 2003, they collect $160 million. 2003 again, they still collect another $88 million. Then 2005, they collect $461 million. For 2006, they collect $44 million. 2014, when Nigeria broke that, I remember that time, they still collect another $227 million. The one shocked me, for 2017, they collect $322 million. 2019, they constantly collect again £211 million. Then this 2020, what would they so this time? They still go collect. They collect $311 million because of the now say wait, Nigeria, we need to make one special day for this guy they call Abacha. We supposed to create one day, we call him that day Saint Sani Abacha Day, because the guy na sent, he just they send us money from great beyond. Like I said, many people don't die for this country where they buy money, carry money to work. Like I said, they send for us for this country. But now for don't know where we did, Nigeria for never food. But because of this guy, just they help us. Nigeria see deal with anytime we broke like this, they'll just go. Abacha will just send money. Bros, we hail you. Try where. In fact, where that money they come, you no go dry at all. Your source of money will keep flowing, and you go to send for us continuously. My people, this is not Laugh Attack House. A man on the street with this, Mona carry go.